California is so sunny all year round. But this week, no sun for us, as we are indoors at our client's warehouse. We're not perfect, but we are pretty damn close. On a recent order, the client requested a vital component be added after the order left our factory.
So the client has some changes in the field, and they called us up, and we're here on site fixing them.
With some quick thinking and proactive actions, we received the shipment and repaired hundreds of the custom furniture units on site with our superhero team. Within a couple of days, we were in and out, making sure the client could proceed with their operations.